Welcome to Nugget 364 with Steve and Dana Groman.
Question remains, who do you believe?
We are still at the Palomar Observatory. We'll probably do this one and one more to wrap up this visit. We could just park it here
Spend a while.
But we don't want you to get too bored. We will be making our point well enough. One of the posters read, Dark Matter and Dark Energy. They have this graph and it shows the Big Bang 13.7 billion years ago and how dark matter dominates and dark energy dominates. Inflation, first stars, development of galaxies, newer stars, planets, etc. Expansion accelerates. Today, future. This right here proves you can't mix creation and evolution.
Right. They changed their mind. I mean, that says 13.7 billion years ago. For a long time, it was 20 billion years ago.
They're just being more honest because they're learning more information, Steve.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yes. We are going to go back and read Genesis 2, 1 through 3 before we finish this, but just want to pop that in your head for right this minute. Matter, as we know it, accounts for only a small fraction of the cosmos. Nearly 95% the universe. Isn't there a missing of?
Mm-hmm.
Nearly 95% of the universe consists of unknown forms of matter and energy referred to as dark matter and dark energy, respectively. Astronomers continue to investigate the nature of these two phenomena, detected through their effects on ordinary or visible dark or visible matter. Dark matter works in favor of gravity, while dark energy works against it.
Yeah, they got that all figured out, but they can't see it? Don't know anything about it?
And they're working against each other. I guess that's what makes it work out so well. The effects of dark matter were observed as early as 1933 by Fritz Zwicky, then at Mount Wilson Observatory. The term dark energy, echoing Zwicky's dark matter, is commonly used to describe the source of observed acceleration at cosmological scales. So that's the expansion and why it's going out. Is that their point?
Yeah. Can you imagine if your checking account had 95% missing money?
I think ours does.
Yeah, and you just tell your banker, oh no, it's there, you just can't see it. I don't think it would fly.
A simple explanation for dark energy is that it is the cost of having space. Kind of like the cost of living, isn't it? A volume of space has some intrinsic fundamental energy. The cosmological constant is the most basic formulation of dark energy. It was first proposed by Einstein as a mechanism to obtain a solution of the gravitational field equation that would lead to static universe, effectively using dark energy to balance gravity. Direct evidence for dark energy came from supernova observations in 1998, indicating that the universe is expanding at an accelerating rate at large scales. Einstein, he was just a mathematician, and he had something that wasn't making his formula work, and so voila, here they come up with that.
They
and
just
all they
tweaked
do
it
is
a little.
They come up with an idea, a concept, and then they give it a mathematical symbol, plug it into their formula, and voila! They're
Ta-da!
smart.
We made reality work out.
Zwicky's 1933 paper titled The Redshift of Extragalactic Nebulae makes the first mention of dark matter. In order to receive an average Doppler effect of 1,000 kilometers per second or more, which is what we have observed, the average density in the coma system would have to be at least 400 times greater than that of visible matter. I like that number 400.
They use it a lot.
They use that number a lot. If you kind of delve into this topic, you'll see that that number is used a lot, as we've said. If this can be shown to be the case, then it would be the surprising result that dark matter is present in the universe in far greater density than visible matter. Really? Graphic representations of the evolution of the universe. That's enough to make you realize you cannot take any of this information as truth.
It's truth, yeah.
It's designed to go with evolution and to continue that whole mindset. Graphic representation of the evolution of the universe and the role of the two great cosmic unknowns, dark matter and dark energy. Today, the ordinary matter that makes up stars and galaxies contributes just 4.9% of the universe's mass/energy inventory. Dark matter constitutes 26.8%. How did they know that? Anyway, and dark energy accounts for 68.3%. They've got that all worked out.
Oh, yeah, it's not 68.2. And God said.
People are taught this in an astronomy or physics class, cosmology class, and they're taught to memorize it, regurgitate it on a test, and the next thing you know, they go somewhere like Palomar, they see it on a poster, and they believe it, and it just gets reinforced and reinforced and reinforced and reinforced.
But the Bible says by him all things consist.
Can you read Genesis 2, 1 through 3 for us?
Thus the heavens and the earth were finished, and all the hosts of them. That's an important part. And on the seventh day God ended his work which he had made. And he rested on the seventh day from all his his work which he had made. And God blessed the seventh day and sanctified it, because that in it he had rested from all his work which God created and made.
We've highlighted two words, finished and ended. They're both the same Hebrew word, 36:15. It's kala, to end, whether intransitively or transitively. To complete, prepare, consume, finish, be finished, perish, to cease, accomplish, consume, determine, destroy. Done! I'm done!
Done.
It's the end. Expire.
And all the hosts of them. That's important.
I think he said he was finished. He was done.
I think he meant he was finished.
So is it expanding and evolving and continuing to expand from this Big Bang?
No.
So,
Who do you believe?
we want to encourage you to go back to the last several nuggets when we have been talking about other things at the Palomar Observatory. In the next nugget, we will wrap up our visit to this historic observatory.
Well, we need to believe what God said and not what NASA said.
Absolutely. Or these guys, Caltech.
Yeah, because they're all
JPL.
together. They all work together.
Right, it's not just NASA, it's JPL, it's Caltech, it's the whole group of them. University of Arizona, Arizona State, they're all involved in this. Even the Vatican.
Yep.
They are all involved in it. I wonder why. All right, well, thank you.